Dalip Singh, a retired colonel, was duped of Rs 3.4 crore after scammers made his fraudulent digital arrest on March 18. The victim, Dalip Singh, said he received a call from some people claiming to be from Crime Branch Mumbai and told him that his name has been connected to a money laundering case. He was asked to give his account numbers to ensure that all the reports they gave to the Supreme Court was complete. They also reportedly told him that another family who did not cooperate with them were killed. Fearing for the security of his family, Singh said he gave them Rs 3.4 crores.
We received a video call from an organization calling themselves Crime Branch Mumbai, and they said that we are investigating allegation made by one Mr. Naresh Goyal, who was already in jail on a money laundering case, who wanted to implicate my name also and connect it with his money laundering. And when they asked me that, I said I know no Naresh Goyal. I have no contact with him ever, neither through electronic means or personally or through any other person. So that was the reply at that time. After that, they said we have to now check your accounts just to ensure that the report we give to Supreme Court is complete in all respects. So I gave them all our account numbers and the accounts in the bank, the number of the finances we had in the bank, NFD form, and after that it ended there for the time being.
Okay.
They had sent me a questionnaire of 15 questions, which had which I noted down on WhatsApp, which had answers given by one Mr. Naresh Goyal, as per them, and they wanted my comments, which I gave. And I said, all this is false, everything is false. That's what happened at that time. 20th. They started asking money from 20th.
Okay.
I said we are doing this to safeguard your interests, so that nobody can take away your money from the bank by coercing you or threatening you or doing anything. And they also mentioned that another family which had not cooperated and were giving evidence against Naresh Goyal, their entire family was killed. It was continuously on. They say don't switch off your phone, day and night.
Okay.
And then every day they would ask me in the morning, are you okay? We hope you are safe. I said, yes, we are safe. There is no problem. And this they would repeat every day. Are you okay or not? Have you met anybody? I said, no. And we actually never met anybody also. So we didn't mention anything outside.
Okay.
Because we did not want them or the people who are propagating this to harm any of our family members. I have a grandchild with me, and other family members. We did not want them to be harmed in any way. That was what prompted us more to go by whatever they said.
3.4.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Being an ex-service officer of the Defence Forces, I would like to request Mr. Rajnath Singh, who is the Rajya Raksha Mantri, to use his influence to expedite the arrest of these criminals who have taken our money and help in retrieving our money back, because that was all our life savings. And thank you very much for that.
SP Cybercrime Gitanjali Khandelwal informed that an FIR has been registered and the amount has been freezed. She said they are still working on the trail.
है और उन्होंने पोर्टल पे कंप्लेंट डाली थी। इमीडिएटली हमने उसमें एक्शन लिया। जितना हमारा अमाउंट हम उस टाइम पे फ्रीज कर पा रहे थे वो हमने फ्रीज कराया। और क्योंकि अमाउंट बहुत दिनों से स्टैगर्ड वे में जा रहा था, करीबन 10 से 12 दिन का पीरियड था जिसमें उन्होंने अमाउंट का ट्रांजैक्शन किया, तो जितना टाइम ज्यादा हो जाता है अमाउंट को फ्रीज कराने में मुश्किल आती है, क्योंकि वो अमाउंट जो है कंसर्न अकाउंट से विड्रॉ हो जाता है। और इस केस में स्पेशली जो अमाउंट है वो बहुत सारे अकाउंट्स में गया और अलग अलग जगहों से देश में चेक्स के थ्रू वो निकाला गया, तो उसका ट्रेल निकालना मुश्किल होता है। दो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, कुछ कुछ हमें क्लूज आए हैं सामने और अब हमारी रेडिंग टीम्स उसके लिए जाने वाली हैं और होपफुली हम इसमें और अमाउंट जो है वो फ्रीज कर पाएंगे और मुलजिमों को पकड़ पाएंगे। बिल्कुल। जब से ये डिजिटल अरेस्ट के मामले सामने आए हैं, हमने अपने ट्विटर हैंडल से, न्यूज़पेपर्स के माध्यम से, व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस से और जो हमारे अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स हैं उनके जरिए लोगों में ये बात फैलाने की कोशिश करी है कि डिजिटल अरेस्ट कुछ नहीं होता। तो नए लॉज का हवाला देके कि सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो गया है, वर्चुअल हो गया है, आप किसी चीज में फंस गए हैं तो आपका डिजिटल अरेस्ट हो जाएगा, उसको बचाने के लिए आप हमें पैसा दें, ऐसा कोई काम नहीं है, ऐसा कोई डिजिटल अरेस्ट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है हमारे लॉ में। तो अगर मेरी लोगों से अपील है, आपको इस तरह का कोई कॉल आता है तो आप इमीडिएटली पुलिस को कॉल करें, लोकल पुलिस स्टेशन जाएं, 1930 पे हेल्प मांगे, 112 पे कॉल करें और किसी के इस तरह के झांसे में